record.
Hello, magandang araw. Kamusta po? Ako nga po pala ay si Marife. Dito po sa aming digital business, we are not just a company. We are a team that works together. At napakaganda po dito kasi we have weekly webinars and trainings and we have big communities na napaka-supportive po. And we don't need na mahabang oras po sa business na ito that because we have a system that help us run this business.
हाय दिस इज स्वराज। अपने प्रियजनों के साथ शानदार समय बिताते हुए अपने सपनों को पूरा करना आज डिजिटल बिजनेस की दुनिया में सही मॉडल को ढूंढकर अपने जीवन को बदलने के लिए और खुश रहने के लिए सभी के लिए एक इच्छा होती है। और इस बिजनेस ने मुझे बहुत ही चेंज किया है और इसलिए मैं आज यहाँ हूँ।
My name is Charito Kreitz. With the digital business becoming a global trend and with competent mentors and coaches, I jumped in here, and today the impact is felt from personal growth to quality time with the family.
Ang digital business na may potensyal na makatulong at mabigyan natin ng magandang kinabukasan ang ating pamilya. Also, will help my personal and professional growth, enhancing my knowledge and skills para mas mapaganda at mapabuti at magtagumpay sa digital business na ito. Ako nga po pala ay si Angeline Ramirez.
Hi, this is Roberto. And in my golden years, still very productive. Dahilan po yan sa aming digital business na ito. And so excited kasi I met a lot of people around the world. And kung makikita po ninyo, this is not the business na nakadesign lang po sa mga Pilipino. And one evidence is Suraj from India and many more nationalities in our team. Kaya kami ay nandito lang upang maipakita sa inyo na we have this kind of business na pwede nating gawin despite doon sa mga ibang employment natin. And we are here para tumulong doon sa mga willing na matuto dito sa digital business natin. So, cheers sa inyo lahat dyan and just message us and God bless you all. Thank you.
Okay na yun.